Hello, Mr. Richards. I can see that Mr.
Afternoon.
Rittenhouse is with you, so I don't have to ask if he's going to log in separate. It'll be just a few minutes.
Sounds good.
I'm going to put you on mute. Thank you. Hello. No, not you, Mr. Richards. I'm just looking
Okay.
for the person who's on the iPhone trying to figure out who they are.
Yep. Now it's
So the
on.
person on the Galaxy Note 10, could I have your name, please?
Nicholas Serwinski.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Thank you. Oh, see, now I got all these people who are logging in. I don't know who. So the person on the phone with the phone number that ends in 4063, could I have your name, please?
I'm calling.
Mike Steinmetz.
Thank you very much, Mike. I'm going to put you back in the waiting room. Please don't disconnect.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. So the person on the phone with the phone number that ends in 9498, could I have your name, please?
When I thought somebody speak Spanish.
Okay, is this Miss Jasso?
Sí.
Okay, one moment, un momento.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Mr. Richards.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Mr. Binger.
Good afternoon, Commissioner. How are you?
I'm just peachy, thanks, and good afternoon, Mr. Zaff.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
Good, I'm doing well. All right, thanks.
Hey, Lori, we're ready to begin. We're beginning with Rittenhouse.
All right. Let's call the matter now, the state of Wisconsin versus Kyle H. Rittenhouse. It's 20 CF 983. May I have the appearances, please?
The state appears by Assistant District Attorneys Thomas Binger and Jason Zaff.
Good afternoon. Mr. Rittenhouse appears via Zoom from my office, Attorney Mark Richards.
Thank you, Mr. Richards. Any objection holding this hearing via the Zoom application?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. Then court will find that good cause does exist to hold this hearing and any subsequent hearing this afternoon via the Zoom application based on the coronavirus pandemic, as well as orders previously entered by the Supreme Court for the state of Wisconsin and the Kenosha County Circuit Court, further barring any objections raised by defendants and/or defendants' counsel. All right, thank you. We are here today for arraignment in this matter. On behalf of Mr. Rittenhouse, Mr. Richards, do you acknowledge receipt of a copy of the information?
Your Honor, I would acknowledge receipt of the information, waive the reading of the information. I have went over all the potential penalties with my client. He's aware of them. I've also e-filed a jury demand on count 6 for a 6-person jury and the $36 fee earlier today.
All right, thank you. I assume then at this point you're going to be entering pleas?
Yes, prepared to enter not guilty pleas to all the charges contained therein.
All right, thank you very much. Not guilty pleas to all counts contained in the information are noted and entered for the record. Matter shall now be counted for further proceedings before the Honorable Bruce E. Schrader presiding. And any and all previously imposed bond conditions and issues of bail remain in full force and effect. Do you understand that, Mr. Rittenhouse?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
A pre-trial conference with Judge Schrader, March 10th at 9 o'clock.
That's fine.
Okay, to go with that jury selection, March 29th.
I'm inquiring of the state how much discovery and when it's going to be made available. I don't know if they have any other dates, but I think to be able to try this case in basically 5 weeks is kind of ridiculous.
I understand the court's policy with Judge Schrader is to give us a jury trial date out of this, but we can take this up with the court on that March 10th judicial pretrial date. As far as the amount of discovery, Attorney Richards, I do have a external hard drive that contains reports and videos that I can get to you. If you want to shoot me an email or give me a call, we can make arrangements for that in the next day or two.
Sounds good.
Again, that jury date that Judge Schrader has is March 29th at 9 o'clock.
Sounds good.
All right, thank you. If
Thank
there's
you. Have a
nothing
good
else-
day, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank
That'll
you.
conclude the hearing. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You.